The Silva Method is a self-help and mental development method created by Jose Silva that improves IQ and develops the innate, though often untrained, abilities of the human being. The techniques consist of simple exercises designed to help you enter a state of deep relaxation, and from that mental level, alpha waves, self-program for personal improvement. The technique we present today requires no prior preparation of any kind. Researchers believe that by drinking water with your eyes closed, the mind enters the alpha state, activating its defense mechanisms to monitor what is being absorbed by the body. This is the ideal state for the mind to be ready to program effectively. Use the glass of water technique for only one project at a time. Once you receive the answer, you are free to use the technique for another project. Procedure 1. Fill a glass of water and add a few drops of lemon juice at night before going to bed. 2. Hold the glass with the fingertips of both hands, keeping your fingers slightly apart. Close your eyes, roll them slightly upward, and drink half of the water. As you drink, mentally say to yourself, "This is all I need to solve the problem I have in mind." 3. Cover the glass, place it on your nightstand, get into bed, and go to sleep. 4. Immediately upon waking the next morning, repeat, "This is all I need to solve the problem I have in mind," and drink the remaining water. If upon waking you remember that the answer has already been revealed to you through a dream that night, give thanks while drinking the rest of the water. If not, repeat the technique until you obtain the desired result. The acid in the lemon juice helps conduct energy more effectively. Your fingers holding the glass project that psychotronic energy, the energy of consciousness used in programming,